Yo, so meshing two chords together. This is what helped me when I first started playing. Is instead of playing a regular C chord like this, what you can do. Well, let me give you two quick tips before I give you the chord thing. All right, so one, instead of just playing a single C in your left hand, you could play octaves. Work on playing octaves, okay, with that C. The second thing is for the right hand, what you can do is add the second note. So if I'm playing C, the second note is the D, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? You can add that. So C major, add 2. Now the other thing that I discovered early on was you can take the third note and the fifth note of whatever you're playing in the right hand and play that. Make it make sense, you know what I mean? Like it's really this easy. Look. So look, I'm gonna take the third note, 1, 2, 3, of my C. I'm keeping the C's in my left, right? Now I'm taking the third note of my C's in my right, 1, 2, 3, which is this E chord, right? E note. And now I'm gonna play an E chord instead of the C chord. Make it make sense. So look, C major 7. C major 7 right there. Look, the other thing is you can take the fifth note of whatever you're playing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And C chord, the fifth note is the G, right? So now I'm gonna take a G chord, G, B, D, and play it with my C's. What do I get? C major 7, sus2. It's really that simple. So instead of playing a regular C chord like this, right? You know how we play. Basic stuff, right? Right? We're not doing that anymore. Like we're past that, right? What we're gonna do is we're gonna take the C chord. We're gonna either play octaves 1 or we can play add 2s, right? But the thing we want to do is play the third note. Play the third note's chord, which is an E minor, right? Or play the fifth note, G, right? I'm playing the G. Right? Let's try it with a different note. Let's take D, for example. D. Let's see if it still works. It's going to work. So D. Let's say I'm playing regular D chord. Boom. We can do this. You know what I mean? We can keep it basic. Or we can go a little bit more advanced. So play this D, F, A, right? What's the third note? It's this F. So now I'm going to take an F chord and play with my D's in my left. Sorry, let me not do a minor 9. Okay? D minor 7. Instead of just a straight up, we're getting a little bit more advanced, right? We're going, okay, let's continue. Let's take the fifth note. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's that A. So in this scale of C major, the A is minor. So we're gonna take A minor and play with D and see what happens. D7 sus2. So you can do this throughout the entire major scale. Right? So instead of playing just straight up like that, we're gonna I didn't teach y'all that one though yet. So what was that? I did a little passing chord there. Anyways, don't worry about that. So that's the quick tutorial for today. Take your chords, mesh them together. In your left hand, play your root note. So in the key of C, I'm playing a C, and then I'm going to take the third note of whatever chord I'm playing, which would be in the C chord, it's the E. I'm going to take the third note or the fifth note and play that chord with my left hand C. Okay, so hopefully it makes sense. Let me know if you have questions or want me to do anything specific for you. All right, see ya.